What is up, guys? Sophia here, and today I'm gonna teach you how to get this beginner-friendly bronze makeup tutorial, or maybe it's more like intermediate, because beginner, I don't know. As long as you know how to apply makeup and blend, I feel like you would be able to do this look. Go ahead and stay tuned for the tutorial. Okay, I know I am looking a little crazy right now, but it is going to shape up, I promise. I just already applied my liquid foundation, which is the LA Girl Pro Coverage Concealer, and all the products will be listed down in the description box, but just to save like some time, I did some stuff already. So what I put over that was the Laura Mercier Translucent Medium Deep Powder, and I also did my brows with the BH Cosmetic Brow Trio, and then I put some concealer up here just to prepare my face for what I'm about to do. So I'm gonna get the Fenty Beauty in Cinnamon, and I'm gonna put it on my eyes. I know that this is like not for your eyes, but I'm gonna do it anyway because I mean, why not? And I'm just gonna focus like right here, so hopefully it doesn't go everywhere. So for the first thing, I'm gonna put in this ColourPop pressed eyeshadow, and it's called And Come and Get It. And I'm actually gonna apply this eyeshadow wet, so I'm gonna use the Smashbox Photo Finish Primer Water set in whatever spray, and I'm gonna spray it on the brush. I'm like saturating it on the brush actually, but it's all good. And so that I can apply it wet. So really just apply this on your bottom lid. Put it all on there. Don't be scared. Put a lot. It could really show up. This is by Morphe, a bronzer in the color Romance. And I got this in a beauty subscription box. And I know what you're probably thinking, like, okay, I mean, can you actually use an eyeshadow on your eye? Because at this point you use the bronzer on your eye, a highlighter on your eye, and you would be right. So what I'm using now is the Pixi Beauty Rose Gold. So we're gonna go back in with this color, and you're gonna like really get a lot, like really digging into the shadow. And this is because I'm not gonna rub it. I'm just gonna pat it on there to prevent it from spreading and stuff. So you're just gonna take like simple pats. All right, so now that you've kind of like patted on there, I'm gonna add another second layer on some more, and then that'll be that. And so for this, I'm gonna do the Wet n Wild in the color Blossom Glow. And once again, just pat. Like, you don't need to rub in a lot. Getting the brown that we used to originally blend it out, and we're gonna do that again. And I'm just gonna add a little bit of black to the outer corner of the eye and just kind of like focus right here. Don't like go too far in. Just really kind of focus on this part. Mascara, this one is from CoverGirl. Whatever floats your boat, put it on your eyes. If you would like to put on some fake eyelashes, then by all means go and do your thing. Like, just get a black pencil, and really I'll probably start out here, because sometimes when I add this, it just makes it look like somebody punched me in the face. I don't know if I have like the eyes for that, but sometimes it just doesn't look makeup-y. It just looks like I got a black eye. When people hear highlighting and contouring, they think the absolute worst, like I'm gonna do the most. I'm not just gonna highlight all of your face. I'm just really gonna just stick to the basics. This is in the highlighter by Fenty called Trippin'. And so I'm just gonna I'm gonna go back to my original one in Cinnamon and just put it in the middle. Here, and that's literally it. You just draw some lines, draw here, draw there, draw there. So I'm going back in with the Blossom Glow, and I'm putting it on a brush to help blend it without it getting faded out. Now as far as this, just use the residue from this brush and just kind of do this. You don't want it to be too much like your cheek. That's a bit overkill. Like, that's too much. Now I'm gonna do a quick contour. Once again, don't get intimidated. I'm gonna use this Marc Jacobs concealer that I received from Influencer. And I'm gonna just draw a line on my cheek. And just blend it. Using circular motions, just make sure it's rubbed in. Okay, now that we have gotten that taken care of, let's go ahead and put on some blush. NYX Red Rouge, that's literally what it's called, I guess. That's it, no fancy name, just that. And I like to just put it over where you contoured because it just looks better. I don't know how to explain it. Like, I feel like it gives it that more contoured kind of look. For lip color, we are gonna use something by Kiko Cosmetics. It's in Arctic Holiday. Just because we're going with this whole glowy thing, why don't we use this Maybelline Smoky Rose. Okay, so that is about it. If you like this video, then go ahead, leave me a comment, give me a big thumbs up, give me a follow, do what you want to do, and I will see you guys another time. Bye.